Today we're here in the Model Y. We've got some errands to do. We're dropping the relatives off at the Greenville Airport way down in northwestern Spartanburg. We'll get them on the plane. We'll head over to Costco, do some shopping, get some vegetables, stuff like that. And then I don't know what else is going to go on today. Hey, it's Cinco de Mayo. We may end up going having a little Mexican food tonight. Don't know, but we're ready. Let's get out of here. I got all the suitcases loaded here. There's two of our relatives and all their check bags and carry-ons. Easily fits here in the Model Y. Next up, we got to get everybody in the car and head to the airport. Southbound Highway 14 now. We've arrived at the Greenville Spartanburg Airport. We're gonna drop our relatives off here in a minute.
Now enter the roundabout and take the second exit.
This is Greenville Spartanburg International Airport. A lot of stuff comes in and out of here for the BMW plant next door. It's a nice place. We'll drop folks off here along the curb, I think. It's a nice airport. Well, we're done here. There they are, and they're out of here. Ronnie, David, see you, buddy.
Thank you.
Give me a hug. All right, thanks for coming.
Always. Oh, thank you for
see him, Ronnie. You got all your goodies?
Hard enough to eat.
All right, thanks. All right. Good. Will you guys stand for a picture and then look over here? All right, you have a good time?
Yes, we did.
Awesome, okay.
Thank you, honey.
Relatives are dropped off. I think our next stop is the Costco.
No lunch.
Oh, we're gonna do lunch? All right, we're gonna do something, even if it is wrong. Just leaving the airport here now. We're on Interstate 85 North now, headed to Spartanburg. I think we're gonna go to the Olive Garden, have some soup and salad. And then from there, I think we're gonna go do a little shopping here. About 10 miles or so. Well, here we are. We're in Costco. I'm gonna go get some vegetables. Maybe a TV. Okay, here at Costco, we are full, but we still have to keep shopping. Heading over to Sam's now. We're leaving Costco now, and now we're headed to Sam's Club. It's across the interstate. We're gonna pick up a few more items and load it up. We made it to Sam's. Gonna drop my wife off. She's getting a few things, and we'll chill out until she gets out. Yeah, I lucked out. I didn't have to go into the Sam's Club with my wife. She went to get a few items and be back. So I'm just waiting for a call, sitting out here in the parking lot, watching Tim Dodd trying to monitor them launching SN15 today. All right, we are loaded. Got a few items, it's in the back. Got a couple drinks, worked out nice. Now we're on the way to the next store. Yeah, we get back on 26 here, and we are here. So we get back on 26 going north. You better. So there's all the data. This truck just broke our window with all of this debris on the truck, not cleaned off. It's a United Rentals truck, and and here it is. Guys should have cleaned it off. Here's all the truck data, and they'll be hearing from us. And we just got this big major crack in the window as a result. So how about that? Continuing north on Interstate 26, it actually is towards the west, but right through here it goes to the north. We're now in North Carolina. We're going to stop in the town of Columbus and pick up a couple more items here before heading home. We're off now, Interstate 26 in the town of Columbus. Highway 108, actually. So this is a typical trip. We went down to the Greenville-Spartanburg Airport, dropped off our relatives. We drove down to Olive Garden, had some lunch in Spartanburg, did a little shopping at Costco, had to go over to Sam's and get a few items. Drove all the way north up into North Carolina here to the city of Columbus, where we got last remaining items, and now we're on our way home. We're just about home. If you liked this video, go ahead and click the like, hit subscribe, and click the bell icon if you don't want to miss anything going forward. If you'd like to buy yourself a Tesla, the referral link shown at the bottom of the screen gets you 1,000 free miles or 1,500 free kilometers of supercharging. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.